Hello everybody, welcome to veenaskitchen.com. Today we will see how to make baked ribbon save or baked pakkavada. To make baked ribbon save, take a bowl. Into it add about half cup of besan or gram flour. Add 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida powder or hing as it is called. Of course, add the salt. Salt about half a teaspoon or as per your taste. Now mix all the dry ingredients well. Mix it with that no lumps are left. There, after mixing it well and nice, add about 2 teaspoons of cooking oil. Mix it well. Now let us add little by little water and make it into a dough. Sprinkle little by little water. Make it into a dough. There, our dough is now ready. Let us go ahead and flatten it. In the meantime, preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. We have the dough ready here. So take a flat surface, dust some all-purpose flour, dust some whole wheat flour, not all-purpose flour. Dust some all-purpose flour over it. Take the bowl. And flatten it. With the help of a rolling pin. I think this much thickness should be sufficient. So for those who do not have a chakli maker or something, this is a very good option. Now we can simply cut it. Yeah, so now we will go ahead and cut it with a knife. Also grease a baking tray. I am going to use a parchment paper and bake it in it. So I am just going to cut it right now. And cut it into like this, a ribbon. Thin ribbons like a pakkavada kind. Like this. So this is good for us. We'll make a nice ribbon pakoda. So let's take it out in a parchment paper. Okay, so I'm just going to take one by one and place it on paper. Now let us go ahead and bake our pakodas. We will bake it at about 180 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 13 minutes in a preheated oven. There, our baked pakoda or ribbon save is now ready. Let us take it out. You can see that it has already come out well and nice. Let's go ahead and take it out in a serving bowl. So I'm basically going to break. You can see can easily break. The sun has set as well, so I was quickly trying to bake it. It has turned out crispy and nice. You can just break it into pieces. Put them in the bowl. There you go. our delicious pakkavada or ribbon save is ready. Baked actually, baked ribbon save or baked pakkavada is ready. Enjoy this Diwali, healthy Diwali with these delicious recipes. And it's very crispy as well. So enjoy this Diwali, healthy Diwali and delicious Diwali with these baked recipes.